Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
Remember the last time you needed to send a message or tell someone where you were, but for some reason you couldn't? That's because there were probably too many people around you. Or you were too far from a tower. Or maybe the network was down. And you probably saw this, or one of these. That's all about to change with Gotenna. Gotenna pairs wirelessly with your smartphone, making it possible to text and share your location with anyone else who also has one, even when you don't have service. No need for cell towers, Wi-Fi, or satellites. With Gotenna, you can communicate no matter what. Find friends even when the rest of the crowd is struggling to get their message through. Gotenna's great for travel because it works anywhere in the world. Explore and roam for free. And if there's an emergency, you can send a message to all Gotennas within range. Because here's the thing, cell phones are great, but there's a lot of situations when they're just not that reliable. It's time to start your own network and make no service, no problem. Gotenna.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
Stories and storytelling have always been central to humanity. They empower and inspire. They have the power to change the world for better. Adventure sports is a part of our story. For many of us, that means joy, passion, and pushing personal boundaries. We've created a solution that finally enables everyone to capture themselves in action and to share their adventure stories. AirDog is the world's first auto-follow drone designed for action sports. Capture yourself in action during your outdoor adventures. No piloting necessary to film your ride on the slopes or on the waves. Designed and developed by sports fanatics, AirDog has been precision engineered to meet the customized demands of specific action sports. AirDog is also a training tool. By capturing your performance on video, you can push your boundaries and improve your performance. Built for the extreme, built for action, created for your story.